Do you know how to pronounce and use this word in English? Many English learners see this spelling and think, wow, this looks difficult. But the good news is the pronunciation is quite simple. Even though this word looks long, it is actually only one syllable. We are going to go over how to pronounce this word, how to use it naturally in real sentences, and a common variation of this word. This word is pronounced through. Now, first I want to start with that TH sound. The TH sound is going to be made by placing your tongue between your top and bottom teeth. Now I want you to blow out air gently. No voice, like in think or think. Through. Through. Next, focus on that U sound. Your lips are going to be rounded. Hold the sound. It's going to be the same sound like in the words blue or true. Through. Through. Feel free to repeat after me. Through. Through. The word through is often used to show movement from one side to another. It can also be used to mean completion of something or passing inside something. Some examples are, we walked through the door. If you came in somebody's house, you walked through the door. The car drove through the tunnel. The car came in one side of the tunnel and drove through to the other side. We could say, I read through the entire book, or I'm almost through with my work. Now, a quick thing to note, this through is pronounced the same way as this word through. It's the same pronunciation with a different spelling and meaning. This through is the past tense of the word throw, meaning to toss something or to send something through the air. Now that you know how to pronounce the word through, it's also helpful to note that this word has the word through in it also, and this word is pronounced throughout, which means in every part of something or from the beginning to the end. It does not mean movement like through. It focuses on coverage or duration. For example, we could say, the music played throughout the night, from the start of the evening till the end. We could say, there are cameras throughout the building. This means cameras are in every part of the building. We could also say, she was nervous throughout the interview. She was nervous the entire interview or the entire time. Or decorations were placed throughout the house. That means decorations were everywhere in the house. Now let's look at some common mistakes between through and throughout. We wouldn't want to say, we walked throughout the tunnel. This would be incorrect. We would want to say, we walked through the tunnel. We walked inside the tunnel. We wouldn't want to say, the noise continued through the day. Instead, we would say, the noise continued throughout the day. We're talking about the duration. Now, if you're unsure whether or not to use the word through or throughout, you can ask yourself two questions. First, is it about movement? If the answer is yes, we would use the word through. Now, is it about everything or the whole time? If the answer is yes, then we would use the word throughout. Now, one last time, repeat after me. Through. 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 Throughout. Throughout. Throughout.